Okay, be honest. Does your chart look like this? Here's what every beginner trader does. They think more indicators equal better trades. RSI, MACD, Bollinger Bands, moving averages. We convince ourselves we need all the information. And you know what happens? We lose money every day. Here's what I like. What is this? What is this chart? When you have this many indicators, you're not getting information. You're getting confusion. Look at this mess. It's a mess. The RSI says buy. The MACD says sell. One moving average says to go long. The other to go short. So what do? You freeze. Or worse, you cherry pick whichever indicator agrees with your bias, what you want to do. That's not trading. That's gambling with extra steps. I was spending more time staring at indicators than actually watching price action, and I hope you are not the same. Here's what actually works. I keep it simple. KISS. Keep it stupid simple. Or keep it simple stupid. I use the 9, the 20, the 200 EMA for trend direction, the MACD for momentum, and the VWAP for intraday levels. That's it. Volume as well. Volume is very, very important. So here's what I focus on. I focus on the 9 and the 20 EMA for intraday levels. That is very, very, very simple for what I keep it at. The 200 to me is very only relevant on the daily chart. For active day traders and intraday traders, the 200 is not very relevant. On a 1 minute, 5 minute chart, it just doesn't, it lags too far behind. So the 9 and the 20 are very, very respected indicators on the trading front. VWAP as well. If it's below it, it's bearish. If it's above it, it's bullish. And that breaking point, once it breaks VWAP, the stocks, that is a very big area of resistance or support if you're above it. And then price action. What are the candles telling me? We got to keep it simple, guys. They all have a specific drop, and they tell me everything I need to know without turning my screen into a kaleidoscope. So here's the truth. Successful traders, they don't use 20 indicators. They use price, a couple simple tools, and they focus on reading what the market is doing. They use level 2, and they look and they keep their charts simple. Your chart should tell a story. It shouldn't be just scattered with everything and anything that human mind can come up with. I know it feels like you need all this stuff to be professional, but it is not true. The pros keep this stuff simple. They don't overcomplicate it. That's what everyone else, including myself, that's what we have to strive for. Keep it simple. Your wallet and your sanity will thank you. So, just as an example, if your chart looks like this, throw it away. Throw your screen at the wall. I'm kidding. Don't do that. But what you need to do is you need to trim down the fat, and you need to go back to basics. Go back to boot camp. Find 1 to 3 indicators that you want to use and you think that are most relevant to your success as a trader, and use that. Use it for a week. Start monitoring. Am I missing information? And if you feel like you are, start slowly add some more stuff. But then you need to be honest with yourself and realize, is there too much information here? Because the chances are there probably is. Thank you guys for watching. Subscribe if you want to see more. I'm going to try to come up with this educational content once a week. And try to be consistent with that. My recaps will be out daily. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and see you next time. Peace.